3. This is a Traxxas, an old Traxxas Summit. And how to turn it on. So you turn on the remote first. Always. And then, for some reason I can't get this one to stop creeping. I've done all the calibrations and the settings, but so you just turn this little button on, that little button on. Don't push it too long, just long enough. It should turn green when I hit the remote button. There. So it's connected. Now this is forward, and then push on it, it'll brake and then go to reverse. This is high, low. High. No, that's low. So up is low, and then down is high. And then this, see how it creeps? It's got a lot of power in. You can set it to quit, like the trim isn't working very good. This is your throttle trim, which if it's in neutral, it should not creep. Then this is your steering trim to get it to go straight. This is your differential lock, front and then all, I think, or rear and then all. That's just for climbing. You can't turn very good when the diff locks are on. But yeah. It doesn't, I mean, it creeps, and then as soon as you touch the throttle, it'll stop. Either reverse or forward, depending on which way it's going, so. And I just switched it to high. So anyways, that's it for that.